We're looking at the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, February 2005. It's a 1 hour paper. You're not allowed to use a calculator or any measuring instruments like a ruler. 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer to questions 1 to 15. 6 marks are awarded for each correct answer to questions 16 and 16 to 25. There are marks lost for incorrect answers. However, if you're on my challenge maths class, we don't use these. I find it's much better to have a go at as many questions as possible. And as we near the competition date, we will look at competition technique, and we'll look at the questions that we attempt and that we don't attempt. But for now, try as many questions as you like, and I will give you full marks even if you get some of them wrong. Question 1. Following numbers are arranged in increasing order of size. Which one is in the middle? This is one of those questions where you need to write them all out. And we're going to add some extra padded zeros. It's really helpful when you are ordering numbers with decimals in them. The secret here is lining them up so that the place values are in the same place. And what I'm going to do is add some zeros to make sure that they are all 3 digits long. And then it becomes a lot simpler. And because here what we've got is the ability to look at these numbers here. This becomes 40, this becomes 4, 400, 440, 44. Makes it much easier to work out which is the smallest and which is the largest. So this one is the smallest. Then we come to 40, 44, 400, and 440. Which one's in the middle? Well, it's this one here, and this one is E.